Hi, what's up, guys? This is Jerry here. So, winters are over, and I feel so excited. Very soon we'll have summer, and I hope the weather is going to be really good. By the way, when we think of the summers, usually the first things that you could think of are grilling shashlik or going to the seaside. For those of you who haven't heard of the term shashlik is a dish similar to shish kebab and is commonly cooked in Ukraine or Russian countries. Basically, it's a skewered cubes of meat that are marinated overnight and then grilled. The other thing during the summer one can think of is going to the seaside. Ever since Crimea was taken over by Russia, Ukrainian beachgoers had to narrow down on their beach spots. From what I've learned about the best beaches in Ukraine, beachgoers usually think of places like Berdyansk to the east, and then on the south you have Odessa, Kobleva, Krylivka, Zatoka, Skadovsk, Zharilach and Chornomorsk. You know guys, last autumn I was thinking to myself, how would either of these beachside locations look like during the autumn or winters? Technically, during autumn or winters, tourists usually don't travel to these places. So, how is life there during these times? During the first week of November, I packed my bags and I took a train to travel down south. I actually want to travel to Izmail. Okay, now Izmail is a historic city on the Danube River. It borders Romania and is one of the 26 districts of Odessa Oblast. Izmail is located in the southwestern part of Ukraine. So, having Izmail in my mind, I boarded a direct train to Izmail from Kiev. There's an overnight train from Kiev that touches Odessa at around 4:30 am and it reaches Izmail at around 11 am. As I got closer to Odessa, I changed my travel plan and I decided to hop out at Akarsha. Now, Akarsha is the closest train station to Chornomorsk. And this video is about Chornomorsk, a city formerly known as Ilychevetsk, which is located approximately 20 kilometers from Odessa. Today, it's mainly known as a port town, but in 1952, Chornomorsk was designed to become the main hub for the Black Sea Shipping Company, at that time which was the largest passenger and commercial vessel operator in the world. Besides being a port town, you know guys, from 1978 to 1988, 4 trains, 2 Soviet trains and 2 Bulgarian trains, were ferried between Chornomorsk and Varna in Bulgaria, covering 427 kilometers of ferry road. While I was there at Chornomorsk, obvious it was cold because I was there in November, I still tried to capture some moments and how life looks like during the autumn in Chornomorsk. In this video, I'll be flying over the city beach, the central beach, the yacht club Misto, and then I'll be spending some time with the birds at Primoshchik. Before winding up, I'll also be flying over the port area. So join me in this video and let's watch this video till the end. Oh yeah, please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that we stay in touch and you could follow me wherever we go, leaving our footprints. So guys, enjoy watching.